Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology. Today, we've got something really exciting for you. In this video, we will be revealing the top 5 tech gadgets of the year 2023. So sit tight, because what you're about to see will blow your mind. First up on our list is the ultra-smart glasses. Imagine glasses that not only provide crystal clear vision, but also connect to the internet, display notifications, and even allow you to control smart devices with just a wink. These glasses are set to redefine the way we interact with the world around us. Next, we have the Aerodrone. This sleek and powerful drone is equipped with advanced AI technology, enabling it to navigate through even the most challenging environments effortlessly. Whether it's capturing breathtaking aerial footage or delivering packages with precision, the Aerodrone is a game-changer in the world of unmanned aerial vehicles. Moving on to number 3, we have the BioFit watch. This wearable device tracks not only your activity and health metrics but also provides real-time analysis of your body's vital signs. With its sleek design and personalized insights, the BioFit watch will revolutionize the way we monitor and improve our overall well-being. Now, let's talk about the Ecosphere. This futuristic home automation system is more than just a smart speaker. It's a personal assistant that integrates seamlessly with all your smart devices, creating a truly connected and convenient living space. From controlling your lights and appliances to ordering groceries, the Ecosphere will make your life easier than ever before. Last but certainly not least, we have the VR experience. Step into a world where fantasy becomes reality with this cutting-edge virtual reality system. With its immersive graphics and mind-blowing simulations, the VR experience will transport you to places you've never dreamed possible. Get ready to explore new realms and escape into a whole new dimension. And there you have it, the top 5 tech gadgets of 2023. We hope you're as excited as we are about these incredible advancements in technology. Which gadget impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss an update from us. Stay tuned for more mind-blowing tech content. See you next time.